carb problem. Well, at least it starts. Well, it doesn't start. Right. Fires and then doesn't want to go. I also rebuilt the carb, but I don't know if I cleaned it all out properly, so let's just have another look. It's gonna be a long video. I don't know whether to like, I don't know how this works. Like, does it take ages to like upload them? Not really sure. Checking the air filter for holes. Doesn't seem like it's pulled anything through. Love this tool. This is like the opposite of Temu or other such places. I was like, oh, I need a little thing for taking 8mm nuts off. It's like made by Draper. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's so big, but it's like just the right thing. Right, so it's got spark. That's good. Take that off of there. Pull that out of there. Is it vacuum problem? Let's just have a look inside the carb anyway and we'll see. Emptied the fuel out. And so when you pull this fuel line down, it doesn't go everywhere, he says. Hopefully. Found a little screwdriver too. Just take this little screw out of here. Can't really see it because it's the wrong side, but doesn't matter, does it really? And lots of fuel in there. Right, that's where that should be, isn't it? Yeah. Right, let's just have a look at this. I'm going to put some glasses on for this because it's like the most stupid things in the world is carb cleaner. It's so dodgy, so dodgy. Right. Let's have a look in here. That's nice. It's clean. Nice and clean. So that's good. Everything in there looks alright. No scratches, no nothing. Get that out the way. Blast all this stuff off. Mental stuff. Right. Clean your hands. Get rid of some of the dirt. Clean this down. Trying to think of like a running thread of what we could be chatting about, rather than just me chatting absolute bollocks about mental health. the machines. Oh, oh bollocks. That's not a good idea. That wasn't good, was it? I blasted loads of stuff into it. I don't really want to be doing that. I've also got to start making dinner soon, so I can't spend too much time here. Carburettor, what does it do? Takes air and fuel, atomizes it together, puts it into your engine, into the cylinder, and then it gets fired. Let's have a look in here and see what it looks like. Should be clean. So I haven't done something silly. It's not very clean in there though, is it? It's full of little bits of poo. Oh god, yeah, look, there's loads of shit in there. And I think we should, well, let's take both sides apart. And then what we can do is take the high jet out as well, and the low jet, see if they're dirty. Try and give it a blast of everything. It's like what you put in, you should get out. But it turns out in energy, it's a bit like if you put loads of negative shit into your brain, all you get back out is negative shit, isn't it really? I don't want to, like, gotta be gentle with this because it's literally like 3 days old. Slowly, slowly, catchy monkey. Everything there looks alright. Needles going up and down. Is that the right height? Let's take these jets out. See what they look like. Everything's so fine-tuned. Like, but it's just little bits of metal with holes in them at the right place. And it just makes everything work just right. But if the equilibrium's not right, it doesn't run right. Like your brain, your body. You whack a load of booze and shit food into you, what do you get out? A load of shite. Literally shit. Not very nice ones. Blast that. Blast that. Let's see if we can. Right, where's those holes? Blasted loads of stuff. Blasted it in the holes, went everywhere. At least it comes out, and we know it comes out. We know that comes out of there, so that's good. If it's not a carb problem, then you're gonna have to do. So I'm gonna have to put it all back together, test it. If it's not the carb, then we're gonna have to go and check, see if there's a leak somewhere. And if there's a leak somewhere, it means you have to take everything apart again. And then, which way does that go? Here we go. I'm hoping there's just something dirty in here. That's cool. Right, there we go. Let's reassemble and see. Four little holes, little bitty hole. So I need to go really through everything just now. Talking, just this must be so boring just watching me fumble around with this. Anyway, probably shouldn't say that, really, should I? Welcome to the most exciting YouTube channel in the world. Big Jezza Clarkson. In the world. What if you could liken your life to a carburettor and the problems and issues and stuff that you had, just tell me, let me know. Write it down below. What do they say? Put it in the comments. I've watched so much YouTube, but I don't want to be like, hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Although I would like you to like and subscribe, because that's why we're here, isn't it really? We can just blast a bit of that off of there as well. Get that in there. Put that on top there. Take things off, clean things out, talk about shit, don't talk about shit. Put these rude boys back in here. And they're probably different. I think no, they're the same threads, but they're the shapes are different. You're really gentle when you're working with these. So what you want to do is you screw them all the way in clockwise. Clockwise shuts off fuel, and anti-clockwise opens fuel, but you turn it until it just about seals. Seats or seals, whatever. That is well too premature. Premature. And then fully out one turn and get you close. Fully out. On this carb anyway. Whack that in, and then 3/4 of a turn out for this one. Is that one? There. Right there. Alright, well, let's see. Stick this back together. Take them off now, that's fine. There's a trick to all this. We're not here how to build a 200 unless you want to be. And then try and like relate it all to mental health, or if you just want to listen to me waffle about bollocks. Gotta stop saying waffling, because it's not waffle really, is it? I was dicking about with AI, and it's like, oh yeah, then script this and then do this and then do this and blah blah blah, and I'm like, oh man, I don't know, like I just want to talk to people, do stuff, and make sure that you know that there's people out there that care about you, want you to do well, even if you feel like you're on. There's bound to be, so there has to be someone. I thought it was on my own. Like sometimes it's hard to talk to your partner or your friends or open up about this sort of stuff, but if you don't, you can end up in a pickly place. You don't want to be eating pickles every day, even though pickles are pretty tasty. You don't want to be in a pickle, do you? You want to be as close to your natural equilibrium as possible, which is increasingly hard in today's modern age. Well, with how many your socials and your things and your whatever's emails coming out your butthole and your ears. Yeah, get them nice and not tight, but they need to be tight. Right. Oh, there they are. Hope I didn't is that tight? Check the spark plug's actually tight as well, to be fair. What? Fucking balls. No, come on. Oh shit, the bed. Put that back on there before I spill just that little bit of fuel. If I just rebuilt that and it was just the same thing that we'd already done before. But it was definitely on there. But now it's all twisted. That's annoying, isn't it? Is it gonna, I put it in there? Nope, it's not gonna do that either, is it? Do you know why that is? Because we twisted that thing, didn't we? Put it in the wrong, twisted it, changed it, and changed something else. But then sometimes you definitely, like, if you stay the same, or you stagnate, well, then that doesn't help either. Right, will that go on there? Right, that definitely clicked in there, so that's good. Is it worthwhile putting it all back together? Have we got hope? Have we got hope? What do you think? I reckon. Wish it still had fuel in it. I'd just start it in here. Do we have to reset everything up? Not that I've got anything to set up, but right. That's that, that's that. Fuck it, let's put it back together proper. Oh, lovely. Got a nice, there we go. Nice twizzle in the Twizzler. Back together. Here we go. Right, if it's not this carb, which I rebuilt, it wasn't that dirty, but it could have been the jets. Everything's back to factory settings. If it doesn't start, we're gonna have to go for a vacuum test, vacuum and pressure test, because these don't work without vacuum. Don't know what's there, whether it's interesting, I can't really see. Feel a bit like Donnie Walker sometimes. Anyway, right, should we go check her out? Let's go. Awesome. I don't know.